Hey there, do you know what's harder than learning English? Trying to explain to your cat why it can't have pizza for breakfast. But don't worry, today we're going to make learning English as easy as, well, eating pizza. And guess what? You don't need to be a grammar genius or have a perfect accent. You just need to start small and have fun. Ready? Let's go. Okay, let's be honest. English can feel like a giant mountain. You look up and it's like, whoa, where do I even start? But here's the secret. You don't climb a mountain in one jump. You take one step at a time. And today, we're going to take that first step together. Let's talk about the 3 magic words. No, not abracadabra. I'm talking about 3 simple words that can help you start speaking English right now. These words are like keys that open doors. And the best part? You probably already know them. The first magic word is hello. Easy, right? You've heard it a million times. But here's the thing. Hello is like a superhero word. It can start conversations, make friends, and even save the day. For example, if you see someone and say, hello, they'll probably smile and say hello back. Boom. You just had your first English conversation. The second magic word is thank you. This one is like a golden ticket. Say thank you when someone helps you, gives you something, or even just smiles at you. It's like giving a little gift of kindness. For example, if someone hands you a cup of coffee, say thank you. They'll feel happy, and you'll feel like a language superstar. The third magic word is sorry. Now, this one is tricky because nobody likes to say sorry. But guess what? It's okay to make mistakes. If you bump into someone, say sorry. If you forget a word, say, sorry, my English is a banana. Just kidding, don't say banana. But seriously, sorry is like a magic eraser. It makes everything okay again. Now, let's put these words into action. Imagine this. You're at a cafe. You walk in and say hello. The waiter smiles and says, hello. What would you like? You point to a menu and say, coffee, please. They bring your coffee, and you say, thank you. Then, you accidentally spill a little coffee, and you say, sorry. See, you just had a full conversation using only 3 words. Magic, right? But wait, there's more. Let's add one more thing to make your English even better. Yes and no. These 2 little words are like the salt and pepper of language. They make everything taste better. For example, do you like pizza? Yes. Is the sky green? No. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Hello. Thank you. Sorry. Yes. No. Great job. You're already speaking English. And the more you practice, the easier it gets. Here's your challenge for today. Use one magic word in a real situation. Say hello to a neighbor, thank you to a friend, or sorry if you bump into someone. And if you're feeling brave, add a yes or no to the mix. Remember, learning English is like planting a tree. You start with a tiny seed, water it every day, and one day, it grows into something amazing. So don't worry if it feels slow at first. You're doing great. And hey, if you're watching this video, you're already watering your tree. So give yourself a high five, a hello, or maybe even a slice of pizza. You're on your way to becoming an English superstar. Keep going, and I'll see you in the next video.